I am student. I am a teacher. I am happy. I am sad. I am hungry. I am tired. I am ready. I am late. I am busy. I am free now. I am from Bangladesh. I am going home. I am coming soon. I am watching TV. I am reading a book. I am writing a letter. I am talking to you. I am cooking rice. I am cleaning my room. I am listening to music. I am waiting for you. I am learning English. I am working hard. I am walking now. I am sitting here. I am standing outside. I am playing football. I am laughing. I am crying. I am sleeping. I am thinking about you. I am feeling better. I am sure about you. I am interested in this topic. I am interested in this topic. I am worried about my exam. I am proud of my parents. I am afraid of snakes. I am in the kitchen. I am in the kitchen. I am at school. I am at home. I am at work. I am in class. I am at the station. I am in the market. I am with my friends. I am without my phone. I am on duty. I am off duty. I am online. I am offline. I am on time. I am hungry. I am in trouble. I am in love. I am out of money. I am full. I am sick. I am fine. I am okay. I am not sure. I am not busy. I am not hungry. I am not ready yet. I am not alone. I am not perfect. I am not afraid. I am not interested. I am not joking. I am not sleeping. I am learning first. I am trying first. I am trying my best. I am serving. I am making tea. I am fixing the phone. I am looking for my book. I am waiting outside. I am getting ready. I am improving my English. I am enjoying the weather. I am smiling. I am learning new things. I am helping my brother. I am going to school. I am studying now. I am feeling sleeping. I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my hands. I am killing my friend. I am opening the door. I am close the window. I am drawing a car. I am riding a bicycle. I am feeding the cat. I am looking at the sky. I am drawing a picture. I am making a plan. I am